Hey guys, this is Francisco from Nichemates, and this is the Focus and Meaning operating system in attempted 5 minutes. At the top, we have the table of contents that link to all of our subsections. This page has been set up so you can just scroll through it from the top to the bottom, and it should suit your day more or less. So if we do that, we start scrolling down. The first thing we see here is the daily stash, which contains all of the daily habits that we want to form over time. And this is here to remind us that we want to do this. For example, we want to get up early, we want to read in the morning, we want to exercise, we want to go outside. All of that goes in here. Below that, we have the weekly stash, which contains all of the tasks for a specific week. And as Stoics, we would like to reflect on our week. At the end of the week, we write a little weekly reflection, how things went, and what we accomplished, what we didn't accomplish, where we can do better. And this is where this weekly reflection column links to. It links to our weekly reflection of the calendar week 36. And in here we see all of the tasks of this particular week that has been linked to it. Also, we see that each individual task in here relates to a role. Yeah, and those roles are defined in the roles and goals section down below, which we're going to see in a second. At the end of the day, we would like to reflect on how the day went, how we did, where we can do better, and what we're grateful for. And to give us a frame of reference for that, we would like to use the philosophical concepts that we have chosen for ourselves. For example, we are at Nichemates are mostly Stoics, or try to be. So we have preloaded the Stoic virtues and principles in here that you can use as a reference point for your daily reflections that you write down here. Then we have the essentials section, which hosts the roles and goals section that I just mentioned. If we click in here, we see here are the roles that the weekly tasks relate to. And we also have monthly, yearly, and long-running goals in here. And this works by linking lower level goals to higher level goals. So if I do, so one monthly goal links to a yearly goal, and a yearly goal links to a long running or life goal. And in the same manner, weekly tasks link to a monthly goal. So all of this feeds into each other, and all of this has also a reflection attached to it. So to make sure that you are aligned with yourself, with your goals, with your philosophy, so that you are going into the direction that you want, that you have chosen for yourself. Let's go back to the templates and down to the ways of sections. These are sections in which we have captured our philosophical principles and some philosophical exercises. But also we have some bonus content for you, which is related to building knowledge, reflecting on past situations, for example, with negative visualization, which is, or positive visualization, that is a Stoic exercise, and put those reflections and that knowledge into a process that you want to use for yourself. This is, for example, the standard operating procedure section. Yeah, things that you have to do over and over again, like your morning routine. You put that in there, and then it's easy for you to reference it. Also, we have a people of interest section down here, which is a large database, potentially large database, with all the people you know, when you want to contact them again, when's their birthday, what's their personality like, stuff like that. Okay, this has been the Focus and Meaning operating system in 5 minutes. I hope you like it. Thank you for listening.